Good day, friends. Let's talk money, something we all deal with every single day. Because it's such a big part of life, it's no surprise that English is packed with colourful idioms about earning, spending, saving, and everything in between. Learning these expressions not only boosts your vocabulary, but also helps you sound more natural and confident in real conversations. Below is a collection of popular money-related idioms, each clearly explained and supported, with examples so you can start using them right away. Time is money. This means time is valuable, so don't waste it. Examples. In business, time is money. He works fast because he knows time is money. Money talks. This means money has power and influence. Examples. He got the deal, approved quickly. Money talks. In politics, money talks louder than anything else. On the house. This means something is free, paid for by the establishment. Examples. The drinks were on the house. The manager said dessert was on the house. Break the bank. This means to be extremely expensive. Examples. That new phone won't break the bank. Don't buy anything that will break the bank. Foot the bill. This means to pay for something, especially a large cost. Examples. My dad will foot the bill for the repairs. The company is footing the bill for the event. Born with a silver spoon in your mouth. This means born into a wealthy family. Examples. She was born with a silver spoon in her mouth. He never had to work. He had a silver spoon in his mouth. Money doesn't grow on trees. This means money is limited, so use it wisely. Examples. Don't waste it. Money doesn't grow on trees. I can't buy everything. Money doesn't grow on trees. Cost an arm and a leg. This means extremely expensive. Examples. That surgery cost an arm and a leg. The designer bag costs an arm and a leg. Bring home the bacon. This means earn money to support a family. Examples. He works 2 jobs to bring home the bacon. She brings home the bacon while he studies. Bet your bottom dollar. This means be very sure of something. Examples. You can bet your bottom dollar he'll be late. Bet your bottom dollar prices will rise soon. A penny for your thoughts. This means asking someone what they're thinking. Examples. You've been quiet. Penny for your thoughts. Penny for your thoughts, John, in the red. This means losing money or being in debt. Examples. The company is in the red this quarter. I was in the red until I found a better job. In the black. This means making a profit or being financially healthy. Examples. After the sale, we're back in the black. The business has been in the black for years. Make ends meet. This means manage to survive financially. Examples. It's hard to make ends meet these days. They can't make ends meet after the rent increase. Money to burn. This means having extra money to spend freely. Examples. He's got money to burn after his promotion. She shops like she has money to burn. Tighten one's belt. This means spend less or live more cheaply. Examples. We need to tighten our belts this month. After losing his job, he had to tighten his belt. Feel the pinch. This means experience financial difficulty. Examples. Many families are feeling the pinch. I'm feeling the pinch after buying a new car. A rip-off. This means something is overpriced. Examples. That hotel was a rip-off. $25 for a sandwich. What a rip-off. Living on a shoestring. This means living with very little money. Examples. Students often live on a shoestring. They travelled the world on a shoestring. Nest egg. This means money saved for the future. Examples. They have a nest egg for retirement. I'm building a nest egg for emergencies. Pick up the tab. This means pay the bill. Examples. I'll pick up the tab tonight. He picked up the tab for everyone. Cash cow. This means something that generates steady profit. Examples. Their rental property is a cash cow. The smartphone line is the company's cash cow. Pay through the nose. This means pay too much for something. Examples. We paid through the nose for tickets. She paid through the nose for that dress. On a shoestring budget. This means with very little money available. Examples. They filmed the movie on a shoestring budget. We decorated the house on a shoestring budget. Filthy rich. This means extremely rich. Examples. He became filthy rich after selling his company. Their family is filthy rich from real estate. Thanks for watching. Which of these idioms do you think you'll use most often? Remember, learning money-related idioms doesn't just boost your vocabulary, it also helps you understand culture and communicate with more confidence. Keep an ear out for these expressions in movies, business chats, and everyday English. You'll be surprised how often they pop up. And don't forget to practice using them in your own sentences to make your English sound more fluent, expressive, and idiomatic.